Welcome.
Mommy said she will.
It is very nice to see you today. Now, I put a couple of pictures on the board. Maybe you recognize this?
Yes.
Where is this?
Our school.
Yes.
Our.
This is right down on the third floor, just down the hall. And raise your hands if you participated in the climate strike, making a sign or marching. And on that same day, this was happening in Seoul. Okay, these are students who are protesting, because this was the global climate strike. So not just here at SJA, not just in Korea, but all over the world too. So I have a question. Yeah. What is the climate strike about? Why was it happening? Why are people all over the world protesting, striking? What do you know, Billy?
Well, I am just thinking. I have a question.
Sure.
So they are protesting, but I know it's okay.
Do you need help
I
explaining your
think
thinking?
it's not. I think it's okay too.
Oh, okay. All right. If it comes to you, please let me know. Lloyd. Matt, what were you going to say? Yes. Maybe this is your question that you have too. So it's helpful if you can also listen.
They're using many people,
Ah, okay.
so it can maybe more
Yes.
get more.
Right. So this is an interesting question. I noticed that many people are using, in this demonstration, many people are using cardboard. So they're reusing something instead of throwing it away. Maybe for our posters, that would have been helpful to think about. So the climate is changing. This is what we call climate change. This is something that's been happening for a while. Do you know why is the climate changing? Happening?
Because of fossil fuel, we are burning fossil fuel too much.
Fossil fuels.
And so I might have looked in the book and said that a lot of the fossil fuel burning and the carbon dioxide doesn't come from our car. It's 41% that comes from our car or anything, and the other percent is come from factories.
So, what happens when I do this?
Electricity.
Okay, so where does electricity come from?
Fossil fuels
Sometimes.
or
Yes, on Jeju there are many solar panels, wind turbines. In Seattle, where I come from, our electricity comes from a dam that blocks the water, and then the water pushing on the dam makes the power. But many places, and I think in Korea, lots of places, they use coal, burning coal, and coal releases, what's the carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide gets into the atmosphere, it's like a blanket. When you put your blanket on at night, it keeps you warm. It keeps your heat in close to your body, and that's what's happening to our planet. It's keeping the warmth in, and it is making it warmer, which is creating lots of problems. Now, as a musician, as a person who does music, what can I do to help people understand this problem? What can I do to make a difference? Ah, okay. Yes.
Like, I want to explain that. I want to.
Oh, you want to explain? Okay, please listen to Henry. He would like to explain something. Excuse me.
Now in the earth, there's our carbon dioxide, and the trees are like eating the carbon dioxide. I'm eating, and if the carbon dioxide, there are no trees. If there are no trees, the carbon dioxide goes into the air, and the sunlight came and doesn't go out into space because the carbon dioxide.
Also, we also have, right?
I know
Airplanes.
I know one more.
What else?
Oh, when we burn the fossil fuels
Uh-huh.
and something comes out and it is like CO2 and bad things and
Yes.
fossil fuels.
So all this CO2 is creating a yes. Okay.
Atmosphere.
And
Atmosphere.
now we are trapping our heat inside. So this is leading to lots of problems. Can I help? I know you guys have a lot of ideas about it. Let me tell you where this is going, and then we might be able to bring all of our ideas together. So I was wondering, because when I've talked to other classes, people don't seem to understand what is this climate change, what is happening. You understand quite a lot. I think because you have done your own research, you understand many things. How do we teach people? Well, one way is through a song. So, in November, we have an assembly. The fourth graders are in charge. So the fourth graders will lead the assembly. I thought, what if the fourth graders could share a song that might help teach people? And also would just be a fun song to share. A made-up song. Yes. So here are tools that you can use. Okay. Now, if you have something that you want to be able to say, but you only know how to say it in a different language, like Korean, you can use a translator. Okay? I will have a translator on this computer. You can simply type in what you are trying to say in Korean. It will tell you what it is in English. What other tools do you have for translating? Do you have people in here that speak English very well and Korean? Yes. Many people? You can ask each other. So here's what I'm imagining. That we would be spreading ourselves out in this room, that you would have paper and pencils to be able to brainstorm your ideas. Now, maybe for you, when you are writing a song, you want to be thinking about the music. What does it sound like? Maybe you could use like an instrument. For me, I really like to have an instrument that I can use. And I can be thinking about, what do I want to say? What do people need to know? Okay. I can play with music ideas, maybe as I play along. And I can write down my ideas. This is like brainstorming. Sometimes we might have lots of ideas that get us started. Sometimes it might be hard to think of ideas. Okay. Do you have any questions about what we will do? Yes, Chibu.
I have some idea.
You have a song idea. Can you keep it in your head for right now, and then write it down? Yes. Yes. So, as I was just saying, if you need if you would like an instrument to use as you are songwriting, just ask me, and I can make sure that you get set up with what you need. Okay? Now, if I get an instrument and I am just banging away, is it going to be helpful for the group? No. I have to use the instrument kind of quietly because we're songwriting here. We're brainstorming ideas. This is just scratch paper to write down your ideas as you are coming up with them. Also, if you have something that you're like, oh, we have this idea, it's very catchy, we like this could be part of our song, tell me, I will record, and then we can remember. Okay, we can record these little bits that you get. If you have something that you think is really, really, really good, we can write it. I will write it on our board for us. Okay? Okay. So we are in this space, so you can spread yourselves out. You're working with a partner. If you want to use an instrument to get ideas, please ask. Okay, you may get started. You may. Your nose is bleeding?
맞아.
Have you had it before?
여자는 여기 차.
아 이거 우리 잘못 만든 거야?
Ooh, I like that. Play that again.
아이들은
It's warming up. It's getting hotter all around. It's nothing natural.
Nothing personal. 야야야야야. Nothing personal. 야 우리 어떤 everything personal. 아니야 이거 야 고치다가 고치다. 그냥 고치다가 아니야 그냥 이렇게
Okay, write it down. Okay, write it down. No bad idea. Maybe use the hardest words. So before we go today, I want to record some of your ideas. So I think some people are ready to share an idea, not finished, but just something that you started. And we can record it. So who would like to share first? Okay. Al, you have a musical idea. So a musical day, musical idea. Who else has something they could share? Hey, I need your papers. Your pencils go back in here, please. Okay. Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to change it. And you still try to get it. 1, 5, 6. Aha. Okay, good. So, nice, awesome creative work today. I think we have some really good ideas to get us started with this process. And I hope that you continue to explore these ideas at home. If you have something come to you and an inspiration, please record it, write it down, and so you can share it with the class, because that will help us create something. You guys are like the composers. You're the composers. So what we need though is a pile of name cards, and we need to line up on the green line. You know what it's called when you change the word? What you're doing is activity. You taking it with you? Oh, is it the same? Ah, okay. I see. Cool. Take that one.